how to hide a section on Wix. So if you want to hide your section, you can head over to this particular tutorial. I have in this section right here, and here's another section. I want to hide this particular section right here. In order to hide that, head over right here to your Wix website editor. Click on this dev mode and click on this turn on right here in order to turn this on. Now, once your dev mode has been turned on, scroll down and just find the section you want to add. Click on it, and then once you have clicked on it, click on this hidden as well as this collapse option. Now, this will hide this particular section, so just head over and click on this publish right here, then publish the changes that you have made. Now, once it's been published, click on this view site right here, which has the updated preferences. And when you scroll on, as you can see, we have now hidden, and the actual section that we have right here has been hidden away. So that's how you hide a section on Wix. Hope we help.